Today let us introduce our this transformer capacity, no load and load loss tester. Turn on the switch to open the device. This is capacity testing. This is characteristic test, sample parameter setting. No load test. There are single-phase power 2 watt and 3 watt, 3 ways to test. Load test. There are single-phase power 2 watt, 3 watt and internal 3-phase power, 4 ways to test. Press data to check the data after testing. This is loss analysis. This is system setting. This is time setting. This is equipment number. This is COM port setting. This is Bluetooth setting. This is Bluetooth connection QR code. Now let us introduce capacity testing. Input the corresponding parameters according to the transformer nameplate. Primary voltage, secondary voltage, transformer type. Impedance voltage. The transformer temperature is set according to the actual. The reference temperature is set to 75 degrees according to the standard. The connection symbol, tapping and rated power are all according to the transformer. Others can be set as you want. After the setting finished, press test to start the testing. This is the wire connection. Now the testing is over. The result comes out according to the test results and the transformer nameplate of various parameters comparison. The test results of the equipment are close to the actual technical parameters of the transformer. We can save the data, also print the testing report. Now the capacity testing introduction is over. Now let us introduce load testing. The wire connection is like this. The transformer low voltage side is short circuit connection. The transformer high voltage side is connected to our device by testing pliers. This is the current output of the test power supply. This is the test voltage input of the test power supply. This is the test current input connected to the voltage regulator. After the connection finished, we enter the testing interface. First setting the parameter, we quickly set various parameters according to the various information of the transformer nameplate. Now we press the load loss test. Press 3 watt to start the testing. The limit voltage, phase voltage and current are shown above. The frequency, power factor, loss voltage and load loss are shown below. This is the log current. When the current reaches this value, the test will be locked. Now we are going to start increasing the voltage. When the test current approaches the lock value, we should increase the voltage slowly. The test results are more accurate if doing like this. Now the test is locked. Zero out the regulator. Now that the test is over and the results are in, we can also see the calibration values at standard temperatures. Also, we can save and print the test result. The 3 watt load loss test introduction is over. Now let us introduce the 2 watt method load loss test. Just change the UB to UN is okay. There is no need to change the connection else. Press to start the test. The test interface is very similar to the 3 watt interface. Now start increasing the voltage.
好，测试结束。
Now the test is over. We can also save and print test results. Now let us introduce the single-phase power method load loss test. This method can test the load loss of the transformer phase by phase. In this way, the load loss difference of each phase of the transformer can be measured. It can help us determine whether there is a problem with the transformer coil of each phase. We can also clearly see the connection method in the test interface. Now let us introduce the internal three-phase power method load loss test. When we use this method, the current input cannot be connected to any device, otherwise the device will be damaged. At the same time, change UM back to UB. Press the start. This method requires manual locking and wait until the data is stable to manually lock the test. Now let us introduce the 3-watt method no load loss test. The test clamp is on the low voltage side of the transformer and the high voltage side is not connected to anything. The test plug is connected with the SIC line to test the current output and the C line to test the voltage input. This side is connected to the test power supply, also called a voltage regulator. Press the no load loss test to choose 3 watt, and the test starts. The test interface shows phase voltage, limited current, power and average voltage. Now begin to increase the voltage. When the test voltage is close to the lock value, the boost speed must be slow. The test is over. We can save and print the test result. In addition to the 3-watt method, the no load loss test also has single-phase power and 2-watt method. The single-phase power method is mainly used when there is no 3-phase power supply. According to the results of the test, the loss of each phase of the coil can be determined and then the state of the coil can be determined. The 2-watt method is mainly used when the power supply has no neutral line. The wire connection is the same as the load loss test. The difference is that the test line is connected to the low voltage input side of the transformer and the high voltage side is not connected to anything.
Thank you for watching the tutorial video prepared by Hipot Tester.